Good day. Welcome to Casa Senora Hotel. How may I help you?
Hi, I would like to make a reservation for October 25th at 1 p.m. for 2 days. Could we request a soft bed with extra pillows?
Okay, ma'am. Let me check our availability. Great news, ma'am. We have a large with soft bedroom available at 1 p.m. I reserved it under your name.
Okay, thank you so much.
Each reservation is logged in our database to keep track of customer details, deposits, and preferences. This ensures smooth coordination between the front desk and hotel rooms.
Salamat nga sa pagpito sa lahat. At saka yung lupa ko na binibenta, gusto mong bilhin ng 6 million. Payag na ako. Payag na ako doon. Ay! Kung ako sa inyo, hindi ako papayag.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Based on our data, Saturday consistently show the highest number of reservation and revenue. And Monday and Wednesday naman, ma'am, is our lowest. So sa Saturday, ma'am, yun po yung pinakamataas namin na ratings. Fully book po kami pag Saturday. And Monday and Wednesday naman, ma'am, is our lowest ratings. And I suggest, ma'am, introducing midweek 30% off to boost reservation during off-peak days. So let's proceed, ma'am, to next. Improve combined chart. It shows total reservation as blue bars and total revenue as a red light on the same graph for an easy side-by-side comparison. So, makikita natin dito, ma'am, na yung colored blue, ma'am, is para mas mabilis po natin ma-identify kung aling days pinakamataas yung ano po natin. And yung red naman, ma'am, parang parehas lang po siya ng blue, mas mapapadali lang po yung pagkita kung kailan po mas mababa po yung ratings po natin.
Okay, excellent insight. Let's launch a 30% discount on Wednesday and promote it through social media. Then, we'll monitor the next month data to measure improvement.
Thank you, ma'am.